Guru.
Hi students, welcome to C Guru Civils and grand welcome to our Indian Geography English medium classes. Today we have to discuss about the first topic, the initial topic, India size and location. Actually, in this first topic you must know about a few subtopics. What are they? The first one, the latitude of India, second one, longitude of India, third one, India land frontiers, fourth one, India water frontiers, and the fifth one, our Indian states, and the last one, the area of our India. Okay, topic name, size and location. Okay, but in this topic you must know about this all. What are they? Latitude, longitude, land frontiers. Land frontiers means land borders around us, and water frontiers. Okay, in this area you must know about coastline also, and states of India, and also union territories, and the last one, area. Okay, coming to this session, what is the topic name? Latitudes. Okay, what is the meaning of latitude? Actually, latitude is the English word. This word came from the Latin word, latitudo. Okay, the frequent asking question, what is the meaning of latitudo? What is the basic word of latitude? Is latitude belongs to Greek language or not? Is latitudo belongs to Latin language or not? Like this. Okay, latitudo, the word latitudo belongs to Latin language. In Latin, latitudo means horizontal one, and also broad one. Okay, so it indicates broad thing or horizontal thing. So many ancestors developed the word longitude from the basic word Latin, latitudo. Okay, but in our globe, if we take our globe, nothing but our earth, latitudes called as a horizontal imaginary lines. Horizontal imaginary, not a real lines, imaginary lines. Okay, keep in mind, imaginary lines. What is the biggest latitude in our earth? 0 degree. Equator. You must know about this. What is the biggest one? In all latitudes, equator. But value is very less, 0 degree. All latitudes are parallel to the equator. If you take any one, all latitudes are parallel to the equator. Okay. On our earth, because of equator, our earth divided into two equal halves. What are they? The north area called as a north hemisphere, southern area called as a southern hemisphere. North hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Okay. All this data belongs to cosmology. There is just some special topic, latitudes. Okay, we will discuss. But coming to our Indian area, in our India, we want to know about Indian latitude extent. Okay, actually there is a question, a frequently asking question. What is that? According to latitudes, where is our India? According to latitudes, where is our India? Where is our India? This is the question. Options. Option A, northern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere. Option B, southern hemisphere. Option C, eastern hemisphere. Option D, western hemisphere. Choose the right answer. There is a question about latitude extent. Okay, you must know, is there question about latitude? Definitely the answer in between north or south. Is there question about longitude extent? Definitely those belongs to east or west. So in this question, please eliminate these two options. What is the right answer? Maybe north or south. But question is belongs to our India. Okay, not some other country, our India. So maybe our India locates at north or southern hemisphere. How do we know? There is a solution. Actually, some people called our India locates in between 8 degree 4 minutes north, 37 degrees 6 minutes north. Actually, this is the statement regarding to our Indian latitude extent. Okay, see the word 8 degree 4 north to 37 degree 6 north. Please observe these words, north, north. Okay, what is the meaning of N? N indicates north. So our India maybe lies in a northern hemisphere, not maybe, it fixed. Actually, if you take a globe, this is the equator. Equator divides our earth into two equal halves. This is the northern hemisphere. This is the southern hemisphere. This is the north hemisphere, this is the southern hemisphere. In every hemisphere, total number of lats are 90 in number. Remember, in North Hemisphere, total number of latitudes are 90. In Southern Hemisphere, total numbers of latitude 90. See this, our India lies in between 8 degree 4 minutes north, 37 degree 6 minutes north. Clearly, it describing our India lies in north area. If we take globe like this is equator, this is our India, okay. If you draw some values on this, please draw this 8 degree 4 north, draw the southern area, and the north area 37 6 north. Okay, actually India lies in between 8 degree 4 north, 37 6 north. That means India definitely lies in north hemisphere. It's clear. So you have to say, where is our India? Our India lies in north hemisphere, north side of the equator. Okay, there is another question. What about equator? What about equator? If you take India in between 8 degree 4 north to 37 degree 6 north, I mean 8 degree 4 north to 37 6 minutes north. If you draw like this, what about equator status? It passes southern side or north side or east side or west side. What is the actual passage? You must say clearly. What is the value of equator? 0. Okay, so equator always passes southern side of the India, southern side of the our country. Very, very, very important. Okay, we are in north hemisphere, so definitely equator passes to the southern side of the Indian subcontinent. Okay, this is also another question. What is the status of equator to our India? What is the status of equator to our India? Southern side or east side or west side or north side? What is the correct answer? It passes south side of our India. Okay. And the next one. Some people said that India means India plus islands also. India plus islands. What is this? Actually, we discuss about only India mainland. See this one. 8 degree 4 north, 37 6 minutes north. But what about Lakshadweep Islands? What about Andaman Nicobar Islands? If you draw Lakshadweep Islands, these are Lakshadweep Islands. If you draw Andaman Nicobar Islands, these are all Andaman Nicobar Islands. But see the latitude extent. Definitely Andaman Nicobar is very close to the equator, and also Lakshadweep also close to the equator comparatively. What is the difference? Actually, I described about mainland only, mainland, our Indian mainland only. What is the truth? In our Indian mainland, the southern tip of the mainland is 8 degree 4 north. Similarly, the north tip of the mainland is 37.6 north. But coming to island area, what is the closest area to the equator? Definitely Andaman Nicobar Islands. So, definitely Andaman Nicobar Islands having some latitude extent, some latitude value. Okay, like this. This is Indian southern tip, the mainland, 8 degree 4 north. But if you take Andaman Nicobar Islands, this island value 6 degree 45 minutes north, and this is equator. Clear? So, there is a question, which Indian area very closer to the, very nearer to the equator? Definitely Andaman Nicobar Island area, especially Great Nicobar Island. Great Nicobar Island. So, there are so many questions. Which Indian state is very closer to the equator? Tamil Nadu. Which Lakshadweep island very closer to the equator? Minicoy. Which Andaman Nicobar island is very closer to the equator? Great Nicobar. And these three, which one is very closer to the equator? Great Nicobar. Okay. It's the difference. Actually, India means mainland, Lakshadweep, Andaman Nicobar, all comes under our country. Okay, so you must know the difference in between mainland and island. Generally, they asked about what is the southern area of our India, what is the initial area of our India, what is the initial lat of our India. Don't take 8 degree 4, please take 6 degree 45 minutes north. Okay, there is a clarity. But some people, 8 degree 4 north is the initial part of our India, initial lat of our India. They said like that, but that's wrong. Please think about that. What is that? India means mainland of India, and island also are our India. Okay, so throughout India, which one is the initial lat? That means 6:45 minutes north, definitely. Okay, this is a very, very important area, a little bit confusion area also. Okay, once again, some questions. Which Indian state very closer to the equator? Tamil Nadu. Which Lakshadweep island very closer to the equator? Minicoy. Which Andaman Nicobar area very closer to the equator? Great Nicobar. Okay. In our India, which area, which Indian island is very closer to the equator? Again, Great Nicobar. Okay, feel the difference. Okay. So, little bit confusion, maybe you will clear that. Okay. Next. See this one. I want another question. What is our Indian northmost state? What is our Indian northmost state? Our Indian northmost state once upon a time Jammu and Kashmir, but now there is no Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir split into 2 union territories, right? So what is the northmost state of our India? Definitely this one. What is this? Himachal Pradesh. Later I will show in map. Just in outline, please feel this is the Himachal Pradesh. So in our India, which one is most north state of our India? Himachal Pradesh. Which one is most southern state of our India? Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu. Which is the northmost UT of our India? This one. What is this? Ladakh. Similarly, what is the most southern UT of our India? Andaman Nicobar Islands. Feel the difference. Okay. Before 2020, our India having 29 states. That's why India's northmost state is Jammu and Kashmir. But Jammu and Kashmir split into 2 union territories. That's why we are calling Himachal Pradesh is the northmost state of our India. And also the northmost union territory is Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. In between 2, Ladakh is the correct answer. What is the southern one? Andaman Nicobar Islands. Okay. Very, very, very important. So in this topic, I mean India, size and location, the most important area, if you take latitude of India, you must feel the difference. What is latitude? What is the meaning of latitude? What is the basic word of latitude? What is the initial data of our India? Regarding to islands or mainland, regarding to total land, you must know about that. Okay. So if you take India latitude extent, you must write definitely 8 degree 4 north, 37 6 north, but this is not absolutely right. What is the reason? Some islands are there. What are they? If you take Andaman Nicobar Islands, Andaman Nicobar Islands initial area 645 north. What is that? 6 degree 45 north. Okay, please feel the difference and what is the correct, what is the wrong. You must know about that. Okay, ma. In next class, I will discuss about Tropic of Cancer passing states, how many states having Tropic of Cancer, like that. Okay, thank you so much.